Hello dear viewers, welcome to another informative video on ProTech. Today, we're unraveling the mystery of programming an automatic message on WhatsApp. Imagine the convenience of having a message ready to go, without you lifting a finger. Sounds fantastic, right? That's the power of an automatic WhatsApp message. It's your personal assistant, ensuring you never miss a beat in your communications. So, are you ready to unlock this WhatsApp feature? Stay tuned as we dive into the step-by-step process. Automatic messages on WhatsApp aren't just a novelty, they serve a practical purpose. Imagine a world where businesses can maintain customer engagement, even when human operators are off the clock. Think about the convenience of setting personal reminders or sending regular updates without the hassle of manual input each time. These are the conveniences offered by WhatsApp's automatic messaging feature, making life just a tad simpler. Now that we understand the significance of automatic messages on WhatsApp, it's time to learn how to set them up. Setting up an automatic message on WhatsApp is simple and straightforward, so let's dive right into it. First things first, you need to open your WhatsApp application. You'll find it on your mobile device, nestled among your other apps. Give it a tap, and let's get started. Now you're in the heart of WhatsApp, the main chat screen, but we're heading somewhere a bit more specific. Look for the three little dots in the top right corner of your screen. That's your menu button. Tap it, and a drop-down menu will appear with a list of options. From there, you're going to select Settings. It's usually the last option in the drop-down menu. Once you're in the Settings section, you're just a few taps away from setting up your automatic message. Next, navigate to the Business Settings option. You might have to scroll down a bit to find it. Once you're in, look for Away Message. This is where we'll set up your automatic message. Tap on it and you'll be directed to a new screen where you can customize your away message. And there you have it. You're on your way to setting up your automatic message on WhatsApp. But hold on, we're not quite done yet. There's still a few more steps to go, which we'll cover in the next segment. Remember to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up before we continue with the next steps. We're back on track to finalize our automatic message setup. Now let's dive into the next crucial step, crafting your message. This is where you let your creativity shine. Make sure your message is clear, concise, and delivers the intended information. Remember, less is more when it comes to effective communication. Once you're satisfied with your message, it's time to schedule it. This involves setting a specific time for your message to be dispatched. You can choose any time that suits your needs, whether it's during business hours or late in the evening. Last but not least, save your settings. This is the final step that ensures your automatic message will be sent out at the designated time. It's like setting an alarm clock. Once it's done, you can sit back and let it do its job. And that's how you set up an automatic message on WhatsApp. Easy, right? Let's quickly recap the steps we've covered today. First, we discussed the importance of automatic messages. Then we dove into the process. We started by navigating to the settings in your WhatsApp application. Next, we configured your profile to enable automatic messages. We then composed your custom message and set the conditions for when it should be sent. Finally, we tested the setup to ensure everything is working perfectly. Thank you for watching. Remember, ProTech is here to make technology easy for you. Until next time, stay tech savvy. Thanks for diving into the ProTech universe. If you enjoyed, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for all things tech and programming. Stay tuned, stay ProTech.